How to fix can't post on threads. Hello everybody. If you're having that issue, you may follow up this troubleshooting methods. So for that, the first thing you can do is go ahead and try clearing the cache of the app. So for that, you may long press on the app, and then in the screen you should be finding an eye icon. Tap on the info option, and then once you tap on it, what you need to do is scroll down, go over to storage, tap on it. After that, you may go ahead and clear cache from the bottom, and then see if the thread posting is working or not. Another thing is updating your app to the latest version. So for that, you may head over to Play Store, and once Play Store opens up, go over to the search bar in the bottom and search for threads in the search bar. After that, make sure your app is updated. So if you have this update option on your screen, tap on update to update your app to the latest version. Another thing is, what you can do is check your internet connection, because that may be also the reason you are not able to post. Apart from that, if you're still having that issue, you may directly contact Instagram or Threads support team, and they should help you. So for now, these are some of the methods you can apply up if your threads posting is not working. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.